Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and today's video I am doing only one brand look, makeup look, and that is Nykaa's product. So I have some of the products which is I need to try, and I have already tried some of my favorites. So I have all Nykaa products here. I wanted to do a one brand look और कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट तो मिसिंग होता था, तो इस टाइम जो पिंक सेल चल रहा था नायका का, उसमें मैंने बहुत सारे नायका के प्रोडक्ट स्पेशली लिए थे सो दैट आई can create a one brand look of Nykaa. Only the mascara is missing because I didn't find Nykaa mascara because I don't know whether they have a Nykaa mascara or they do not have. अगर आपको पता है कि Nykaa का mascara है so please let me know क्योंकि मुझे तो नहीं मिला है. So this look I created using only Nykaa product. So if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up and share this video to all your friends and family. So let's get started. Okay, so सबसे पहले I will just tie my hair up because I cannot put makeup like this. I have all the products here from Nykaa. So as this is a one brand makeup, so I have all of Nykaa except the mascara because I don't think so Nykaa has launched mascara yet. The first thing I am using, this is my favorite Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation and my shade is 07 Hot Honey. They have 15 shades and I love this shade because it gives that satin kind of, I'll just take little one drop. Okay, this much. First see how much it goes. So I like blending using foundation, the brush. So this is it is thick but not thicker like अगर Maybelline का Fit Me foundation use करेंगे, it's not like that. It's little lesser than that. So see the how much so little I took. So I'm taking beauty blender and I'm just any harsh lines of the brushes. I'm trying to wipe it off with my beauty blender. Foundation is super long lasting. Like अगर आप travel कर रहे हो and you are using this foundation, ये skin shield like sun ray से बचाता भी है and plus it has a glycerine infused in it as well as this foundation अगर आप टिश्यू पेपर से भी अपना फेस वाइप करेंगे ये नहीं जाता. आई हैव टेस्टेड सो दैट्स द रीज़न. दिस इज माई सेकेंड ट्यूब. फर्स्ट ट्यूब खत्म हो गया है एंड आई जस्ट रिसेंटली बॉट द सेकेंड वन. कैन सी आई हैव द डब्बा ऑल्सो विद मी जस्ट फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ दिस वीडियो. आई टुक अनदर वन बिकॉज उसमें बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा था. Okay, this is done. So I don't have a powder. I am not using a powder because it turns it into satin matte kind of finish, so I don't require powder right now. If you want you can apply a powder. After this I am using this Nykaa's brow on point micro fine pencil. So let's do my eyebrows. This I have a separate detailed video. I love this and this is a perfect shade for my eyebrows. Weekend Bond. I don't know if there are any more shades. You can check it. I will whatever products I'm using today I'll be sharing in my description box below. If you click on my title, the box will drag and all the links I will be sharing in my description box. You can click on that and you'll reach the page. So this is also one of my favorite after Benefit Cosmetic eyebrows. I like this. See, it's so perfect. Gives that natural and this line eyebrows look so nice and well defined. The next I am doing is I'm using Nykaa Just Wink It palette. I have the Nykaa's pink sale was there, and that time I had taken some stuff of Nykaa products specifically because I don't have. I took 2 palettes. One palette was 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette, which I have a detailed video. I made my birthday look on that, so you can click in the I button above, and if you like it, please let me know in the comment section and share your feedback as well. So this is the first time I'm using it, and this is in 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette, Nykaa Just Wink It. And the price was $14.99. I got it in good deal for $8.99. So I think it was 40% off. So I don't know if this independent sale is going on, if this video comes during that time or after that. If there is 40% off, you can definitely grab it right away because it's very nice. This shade is peach sorbet, and lovely shades are there, all neutral. There is one white here, and that is, you don't need to use you don't need to carry another highlighter. So this thing, but I hardly use it. So there is one highlighter, and there is 1 2 3 4 5 matte shades are there, 7 shimmery shades are there. So you can create some neutral look as well. So first thing I'm going to use is, I'll do something simple look just to test out this palette. Let's see how is it. So I'm just using, first shade is this. Okay, so जस्ट अबव द क्रीज के ऊपर मैं ये शेड लगा रही हूँ.
It's not that pigmented but okay है, so dust. I need to see this much shade. I think it's looking nice on camera. So
2-3 times I dipped my brush and it gives that much shade, so it's fine. ठीक है. Okay, the next I'm taking is this brown shade. I'm just using that in my outer V. I am not so impressed with this eyeshadow. Okay है. Like brown shade बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. I think the brown shade is not coming. Brown shade is not coming, but the peach shade was coming. So maybe when you use a setting spray it will come. Okay, now I am really excited to use this white shade. I'll just highlight the shade in my corners of my eyes. Not bad. Can you see the shine? It's very nice highlighter.
only the brown thing is having some issues with the pigment. Otherwise, right. You can see, wow, this is shining so much. I can see in the camera. Okay. Not bad. Okay.
So I am just using the same brush. The brown color I am using it below my lower lashes. Let's see whether brown comes. Okay, so brown अकेले brown use करेंगे then it comes. So above the peach shade it was not coming up. So you need to use a setting spray. Oh, I want to use some shimmer shade on top of this. So let's take this golden shade. I'm using my finger. I'm using it on my lid. Wow, this is also nice, and on darker skin tone this will really look good as a highlighter. The next I have here is the Nykaa's Wing in a Bling. So I have a separate detailed video on this as well. Stamp you need to close it quickly, so ये जल्दी से सूख जाता है. So see, want to you, I'm thinking I'm just dropping the plan of making a wing. I'm just using this side. Okay, so यहाँ पे स्पंज से कुछ लटका कर है. Okay, टाइम ठीक है. So I'm just taking this wet wipes or just giving it a shape here. ठीक है? It should be like this. That outside V kind of. So give a nice shape with your, and जो भी fall out है. In the beginning I already told that I don't have a mascara of Nykaa, so I'm just using the Revlon Mega Multiplier mascara. So I'm just with the eye look foundation now next, and the mascara is also done. The next I have here is blush duo. I had taken this during the pink sale और अभी तक मैंने यूज नहीं किया है. So it comes in this kind of packaging. ये sponge अब मैं डब्बा फेंक सकती हूँ. I wanted to use this first in front of you all. So this shade is Brazilian Bombshell 01 Rose plus Raisin. So the shade is like this. This is peachy shade and this is pink. So I'll use, I think peachy will look good. So I have this blush brush.
Blushes I always don't just apply on my cheek. I try to apply on my nose as well. So it gives it natural, you know, when you do exercise और आप बाहर से आते हो तो कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक full एकदम पिंक पिंक हो जाता है. So that kind of natural blush थोड़ा बहुत जो भी brush में लगता है, so just apply on your forehead and I'm just mixing the shade.
See, it's looking perfect. And I normally don't contour my face, so this blush is fine. It's very pigmented, so I liked it. If you want to give it a try, definitely buy this. It's a good option. Peach bhi hai and pink shade is there. This is Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo Brazilian Bombshell 01, and the actual price of this I got it is 699 rupees, but I don't know what's the price offer going on. I will update something all the details on my screen. The next I have here is the highlighter Nykaa Glow Gold Shimmer Brick. So this is the first time I'm trying it. जब से मैंने लिया है pink sale से, so there was also the sponge packaging like this. It came. So but there is no mirror on both. What's this? Fan brush. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. एकदम natural glow दे रहा है. I don't have any ring lights also in front of me. It's normal tube light. Can you see my forehead is shining? My shade. I love this. I really love this. Go and buy it right away. I would definitely recommend this to buy. Blush ho gaya. Now next is a lipstick. So I have this 2 shade which I love the combination. This is the truffle matte lipstick. It's a nude brown shade. ठीक है. So this is magnet packaging. It's a new and they have more shades. I just took one because it's very expensive. So I'm just applying the nude shade. Their gloss I have is Nykaa Gloss It Up. I tried this combination and oh my god, it gives that coral shade. This is pink. Pink and brown gives coral shade. You won't believe. I will show it right now. अभी देखना. अभी के अभी देखना. Can you see? Such a pretty shade. This gives a coral shade. So fair to medium pay if you want something glossy lips and coral shade. Try this 2 combination. The truffle Nykaa Matte Luxe Pay Truffle and the Nykaa Gloss It Up in the shade 06 Name Drop. So that's all for my look. I'll just wear my earrings and come back. Ta-da! So there you go. I've just put my earring. Earring डालने के बाद और ही अच्छा लगता है, right? So कैसा लगा मेरा ये one brand look? Now let me tell you what I liked. I would definitely recommend the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. My shade is 07 Hot Honey. I love the glow, the highlighter Glow Gold Shimmer Bricks. I really love the Get Cheeky Blush Duo. This combination was amazing. Definitely give this a try, the gloss and the truffle. And palette was okay. I would just give like 7 out of 10. I'm not a very big fan of this palette, but the 10-in-1 palette was awesome. This was okay. And Fallout भी था, उसमें भी Fallout था. If you want to watch the 10-in-1 palette eyeshadow palette look, click on the link and or in my description box I will share. So ये okay था. Mascara तो मिला नहीं. And this was also okay because this dries up very quickly. I mean the wing side I'm not happy, but the eyeliner side it's awesome. So eyeliner का it's like dual side. So इसका भी detailed review है. Click on the link on the I button or my description box. You can get it right away. I think everything I have told you all. And yes, my next favorite was the eyebrows, the Duo Brow On Point Micro Fine Pencil. So this was also awesome. If in case you are interested to buy any of this shade, click the link in my description box and buy it from there. And I'm sure, and these are my affiliate links, and I will definitely earn some little commission if you buy from my links. So and there are other coupon codes also which I'll be sharing in my description box. If in case you're interested, you can buy it and use my codes as well, so you can save some money. I hope you like this look, and let me know which of the products from Nykaa is your favorite or any. That's Jam. He's bored sitting in this room, but he does not want to leave me as well. So let me know which products of Nykaa you have used it, and you have your own opinion. Do let me know in the comment section. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. My ID is Just Chill with Pam. Don't forget to like, share and follow me on my Instagram. And अगर अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है, please subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Facebook and Twitter ID is same Pam Station, and Instagram is Just Chill with Pam. All links are there in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.